How to use HDFC gift card on Amazon? Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser on your PC or mobile device. Then in the search bar, search for amazon.in. Once you search for it, go ahead and log into your account. So first of all, you want to ensure your HDFC gift card is activated and has sufficient balance. Also, verify the card validity and check if it supports online transactions. So after you have checked it out, inside here, you want to go ahead and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll then be able to find an option that says gift card. Once you tap onto it, you'll then be able to find an option that says add a gift card. Go ahead and tap onto it. And then inside here, you want to go ahead and simply enter the 15-digit gift card code and then tap on Add Gift Card to Balance. And just like that, the amount will be credited to your Amazon Pay balance. During checkout, select Amazon Pay as your payment method. Choose your Amazon Pay balance to complete the transaction. And that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.